The members of the Dreketi Mahavishnu temple, invited guests, my very good friend Donald, ladies and gentlemen, namaskaram, Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to all of you. It's a privilege to be here, present here today at the Dreketi Mahavishnu temple to celebrate with you the annual temple puja, an important devotion for this community. Ladies and gentlemen, we are lucky. We actually call Fiji our home. We are a nation that is rich in diversity in terms of cultures and religions. And I'm especially grateful that in our society we share the traditions and celebrations of all our fellow Fijians as we do so today. Ladies and gentlemen, we have built a Fiji that we know and we love, and today through teamwork, unity and camaraderie. These particular values actually bond us together in our great journey as a nation. And values that we have set in stone and protected in our Fijian constitution. Values that have been instilled in us by our forefathers. We have a constitution for the first time that establishes common and equal citizenry in Fiji, and regardless of our background, our beliefs, our socio-economic status, or where we live. As Fijians, we have actually shown that when we respect one another, when we work alongside our fellow Fijians, and we embrace our differences, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. The cultural values of Sangam recognizes that every member can make valuable contributions in society with the utmost of sincerity and honesty, alongside teamwork and respect. And I of all want to share with you that I share the same spirit because my grandfather, the late Koya, is actually a founder member of Sangam. This contribution, ladies and gentlemen, especially by your members, is highly appreciated because it honors your founding fathers. And this is what Fiji needs. We must continue our work to make Fiji a better, a safer, and a more inclusive nation. We should continue opening the doors of opportunity for our young people and create a more knowledge-based society, and we must continue to hold our great belief in what this nation can accomplish as we strive to make every year an even better year to be a Fijian. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a day for long speeches, but as I said, I'm very happy to come here today and share with you the spirit of what you have done today. This is truly a wonderful last couple of days in Fiji. We've just celebrated our Prophet Muhammad's birthday, and today is another memorable day for all our communities. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, my sincere thanks once again to the members of the Dreketi Mahavishnu temple for continuing the tradition of the annual temple puja in the Lautoka community. And I wish you all a wonderful celebration. Thank you very much.